Projects here, and today I'll be showing you how to get your phone into an iPhone like this. Like, really, my phone is actually a Samsung, and it does not look anything like this. So I changed it like this. So first of all, go to the Play Store. I mean, why would you go to the App Store to download an iOS thing to make it look like an iOS if you already have an iOS? So I'd say this is just for people who want to make their phone look like an iPhone on the software, but not like the actual look of the phone, but like the inside of the phone. So basically, what you want to do is install it from the Play Store and then open it. You can download this lock screen app, this control center app, and the assistive touch app from the Play Store too, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I downloaded the control center app, and so like if you swipe down, it'll show all this. You can control the volume right here, the light. This gives you the flashlight. This leads you to the clock, and this leads you to calculator. This leads you to the camera. This is dark mode on, and I'm not sure what this is yet, but yeah, you can turn on Bluetooth by clicking that. You can choose your own music player. I chose mine as Spotify. You can use yours as YouTube, and this I added it as an additional app because it's a recording. And by the way, guys, please download the Mobizen app. It's spelled Mobizn, and that is what I'm recording it with right now. Subscribe to Dream Projects, by the way, and subscribe to Dream Family Travel. Now let's get back to the video. So what you want to do from the home screen is, first of all, go to Control Center. You have to download the app. It has some ads, so I wouldn't recommend getting it that much, but it's worth it. And so you can get this, but I didn't want that, so I downloaded a different Control Center app. Over here, you click on it. I just did this, Andrew design. I don't know why, but I did it, I guess. You could choose the position. You can make it to the right, where you swipe it from the right, and then it comes there. Right now it's at the bottom, and I want to leave it like that. So if you have it at the left, you can do that. See, you could swipe it all the way to the left. I'm not sure if it's working right now, but you can swipe it. I like it at the bottom because it's the easiest and it looks better and it looks like an actual iPhone. And right here, actually, you can actually change the color and make it big. See, right here, that's the thing. But I wanted to make it blend in so people wouldn't know. So I made the size very small and made the color blend in. So over here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but oopsie, it's right down there. So when I swipe up, it's gonna like show it. So anyway, now you know about the Control Center. Let's go back to the iOS launcher. Over here, you can click widgets. On the widgets, there's battery, calendar, clock, suggestions, favorites, and weather. I don't really want to do anything or like to do anything with that, so I just keep it like that. The next is weather. Weather I just keep because like I don't really care about the weather. So next is blur effect. It's just normal settings. I don't care about that either. Animations, that's important. You can change it, but I don't want to change it. Wallpapers is pretty much important too. I like this wallpaper. You can actually choose any wallpapers you want. So when you go home, you'll actually have this Apple wallpaper. So once you go there, go back to this app. You can click change icon. And so this is one of my favorite parts about this. Like, if you're like using Discord or something, you could change the logo to like Fortnite. And then after you do that, you can click change name. And then basically just go to the Fortnite icon Discord, and then change the name to like Fortnite. And then it'll click OK. And then once you go home, it'll be like right over here. Right over here, I'll say Fortnite. But when you want to uninstall it, and it also happens like this, it shows app info, hidden apps, edit home screen. So like if you click delete app, it'll still show like the normal Samsung stuff, but it'll say Discord will be uninstalled. So that doesn't work out that well, but you can change it. I'd say it's really good. So yeah, let's go back to the thing. So you can change your name, the name of the apps and the icon, but there are limited icons. I think you can't add your own icon. I think, and hidden apps is pretty good because what you can basically do with it, if you don't want like an app to show, like if you don't want this app to show, let's say I don't want iOS 13 launcher to show. What I do is go over here, click plus, and it'll be a hidden app. What that basically means is it won't be here anymore. So what you have to do is basically click, search up iOS launcher, or it might be in suggestions, iOS launcher, and it'll show that. But if you go to the URL here and go to Google, click search up iOS launcher, and it'll be from this device. Yeah. And once you, but right now I don't really want to keep it as a hidden app, so I'm going to change it back. And you could always change it back by clicking the minus. And by the way, if you want to like reset the icon of one of the apps, just click just click the this button, the arrow, and it changes back. And so basically, if you want to change the name, just go to the thing, but you have to type this. For the name, you have to type it back. So once you do that, the thing that I hate about this app is that there's so many ads, but I don't really care now. So go back to the app, and next we have is notification badges. It basically gives you notifications about it. I really don't care about it. If you want it, then you can do that. And this is ratings. You could like rate it, and then and then you could download this person's other apps. So basically, the apps by this person, I think it's what is it? I think it's, let's see. He's like a Linux, I think. Linux. Oh, Lutin developer. This video is about his app, so I'm gonna give credit to Lutin developer, and make sure to check out his other apps: Control Center, iOS 13, Launcher, iOS 13, Assistive Touch, iOS 13, Smart Screen On Off New, Smart Screen On Off Auto, Double Tap Off, Secure Incoming Call, S20 Rounded Corners, Dream Live Wallpapers, Blue Light Filter Eye Care, Smart Screen On and Off Pro, and that's it. Those are all his apps. So I really appreciate this person, because it actually looks like a normal iPhone. But oh yeah. So for the changing icons, I forgot to show you all the icons. Like, let me show you. All the icons are basically, like, if you want to change it, the icons are this phone, calculator, calendar, camera, Google, clock, compass, contacts, drive, Dropbox, email, Facebook, I don't know what that is. Google Play Games, Gmail, Google, the health thingy, Google Maps, Photos, Instagram, Notes, Apple Music, Messages, Line, like Safari, Gallery, Notes, Settings, Siri, Snapchat, Spotify, App Store, Google Translate, Twitter, Uber, some messaging thing, voice recorder, WhatsApp, weather, YouTube, FaceTime, files, some video thing, Netflix, me, some maps. I think there's this one's like a payment one. I don't know. And then I don't know that. This is Apple News. And then I don't know some of the, yeah. And then as you can see, there's TikTok, Pinterest, Fortnite, Discord, Shazam. There's stuff like that. Stocks, iMovie, yeah. And then you could actually do my photos. So you can go to your photos and actually select it. And so I think that's it for today. This is a really good app. Please rate it 5-star. You could also use how to use Reload Launcher. And so please subscribe, like, and comment down below for this video. And subscribe to Dream Family Travel also. And so I'll see you next time on Dream Family Travel and Dream Projects. So that's it for today's video. And bye-bye. Have fun.